Greetings colleagues. A simple business that anyone can start with is selling their knowledge about something. Practice shows that in the 21st century any knowledge can be sold, including useless. At this point, you do not need any significant expenses, you can start and try at the moment when you have a mobile phone or computer. The easiest way to find which of your knowledge can be useful to others is through a freelance exchange such as Upwork or Fiverr. Where sorting out keywords, you can probably find tasks that may be interesting to others. In this video, I proceed from the fact that you already have a certain expertise and client pool, and there is a service that may already be useful for automating part of business processes and facilitating work with your clients. Okay. What is Calendly? After a simple registration, you will immediately have access to tools for creating your events and flexible settings for scheduling time for online meetings. You can start exploring the product from the predefined event assignment templates. You have access to tools for automatically notifying the client about the event assigned to him. Several special integrations within the service will allow you to link the appointment tool with specific video services through which meetings can be held. For example, Zoom, which has become very popular since the beginning of the coronavirus epidemic. You can also integrate with payment services such as PayPal or Stripe so that your consultation will be paid by the client immediately. Each event has a separate page that you can embed into your website, blog, or social network. After a simple appointment, you receive a notification that you have an appointment and a ready-made calendar of planned communication with your clients. The settings for new events can be selected both for your business and for general holidays, exhibitions, events of other businesses, etc. If selling your expertise is about selling your customer communication, Calendly can be a simple platform that can start turning your customer communication chores into a business where you can focus only on what matters to your customers.